Surah, number 62, of Quran Majeed. Friday.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever there is in the heavens and in the earth glorifies Allah, the Sovereign, the All-Holy, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
It is He who sent to the unlettered people an apostle from among themselves, to recite to them His signs, to purify them, and to teach them the book and wisdom, and earlier they had indeed been in manifest error.
وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And to others from among them, as well, who have not yet joined them. And He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
That is Allah's grace, which He grants to whomever He wishes, and Allah is dispenser of a great grace.
مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
The example of those who were charged with the Torah, then failed to carry it, is that of an ass carrying books. Evil is the example of the people who deny Allah's signs, and Allah does not guide the wrongdoing lot.
قل يا أيها الذين هادوا إن زعمتم أنكم أولياء لله من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Say, O Jews, if you claim that you are Allah's favorites, to the exclusion of other people, then long for death, should you be truthful.
ولا يتمنونه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
Yet they will never long for it, because of what their hands have sent ahead, and Allah knows best the wrongdoers.
قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Say, the death that you flee will indeed encounter you. Then you will be returned to the knower of the sensible and the unseen, and he will inform you about what you used to do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
O you who have faith! When the call is made for prayer on Friday, hurry toward the remembrance of Allah, and leave all business. That is better for you, should you know.
فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
And when the prayer is finished, disperse through the land and seek Allah's grace, and remember Allah much so that you may be felicitous.
وَإِذَا رَأَوْا تِجَارَةً أَوْ لَهْوًا انفَضُّوا إِلَيْهَا وَتَرَكُوكَ قَائِمًا قُلْ مَا عِندَ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ مِّنَ اللَّهْوِ وَمِنَ التِّجَارَةِ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ.
When they sight a deal or a diversion, they scatter off towards it and leave you standing. Say, what is with Allah is better than diversion and dealing, and Allah is the best of providers.